We'll guide you through how to create a Streamlabs merch store. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Streamlabs website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard. On the left-hand menu, you'll see an option labeled Merch Store. Click on it to start setting up your store. You'll be taken to the Merch Store setup page where you can start by entering some basic information about your store. This includes your store name and a brief description that tells your audience what your merch is all about. Next, you'll want to upload a logo or banner for your store. This is important as it helps brand your store and makes it recognizable to your viewers. Then, you can browse through the products that Streamlabs offers. They have a variety of items like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more. Choose the items you want to sell and customize them by uploading your designs. Make sure your designs are high quality and represent your brand well. After selecting and customizing your products, you'll need to set prices. Streamlabs will suggest a base price, but you can adjust it according to how much you want to earn per sale. Be mindful of your audience's budget when setting prices. Once everything is set, publish your store by clicking the Go Live button. Your store is now live, and you can start promoting it to your audience. Share the store link on your streaming platforms and social media to drive traffic and sales. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.